Imagine living in a country where the average income is over $140,000 per year. Today we're counting down the 30 richest countries in the world by GDP per capita. Let's subscribe Crown Data for more informational videos. Let's begin. Starting the list is Italy, with a GDP per capita of around $45,000, supported by manufacturing, tourism, and fashion. Next is Andorra, with about $51,000, a small country known for tourism and banking. Coming next is France, reaching around $51,000, one of Europe's largest economies. Next on the list is New Zealand, with roughly $52,000, known for agriculture and high living standards. Following that is Malta, with around $53,000, driven by tourism and finance. Next is the United Arab Emirates, reaching about $58,000, powered by oil wealth and tourism. Coming next is Canada, with approximately $59,000, supported by natural resources and industry. Next is Hong Kong, at around $60,000, a major global financial hub. Following that is Belgium, with roughly $65,000, known for strong trade in Europe. Next comes Australia, reaching about $66,000, powered by mining and exports. Next on the list is Germany, with around $70,000, Europe's largest economy. Coming next is Sweden, with roughly $71,000, famous for innovation. Next is Russia, reaching about $73,000, rich in natural resources. Following that is Austria, with around $75,000, supported by tourism and exports. Next comes Iceland, with roughly $78,000, known for renewable energy. Coming next is the Netherlands, reaching around $82,000, driven by trade and finance. Next is Taiwan, with about $83,000, a leader in semiconductor technology. Following that is Denmark, with roughly $84,000, known for its stable economy. Next comes Japan, reaching around $85,000, famous for technology and industry. Coming next is Brunei Darussalam, with approximately $87,000, supported by oil and gas. Entering the top 10 is San Marino, with around $90,000. Next is the United States, reaching roughly $92,000, the world's largest economy. Following that is Norway, with about $101,000, powered by its energy sector. Next comes Switzerland, reaching around $110,000, famous for banking and luxury goods. Coming next is the United Kingdom, with approximately $121,000, supported by finance and trade. Next is Qatar, with around $125,000, driven by huge oil and gas reserves. Following that is Singapore, reaching about $130,000, one of the world's biggest financial hubs. Next comes Ireland, with roughly $132,000, thanks to its strong tech industry. Coming in second place is Macau SAR, with around $138,000, driven by its casino industry. And finally, the richest country on this list is Luxembourg, with an incredible $145,000 GDP per capita. Which of these richest countries surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing comparisons and global facts.